If y is equal to x square, then how dy by dx is equal to 2x. So x is independent variable, y is dependent variable. So we have to give the values for x and the respective value for the y we have to take. So just like this, x and y, we have to plot the graph. So if x equal to 0, then y equal to x square. X equal to 0 means y also will be 0. So it will be origin. If x equal to 1, so 1 square that will be equal to 1. If x equal to 2 square, so 4. If x equal to 3 square, then 9. So like this it will go on. So if you plot the graph, this is x. Independent variable will be in the horizontal axis. Dependent variable will be in the vertical axis. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So this is the point origin. X equal to 1, y equal to 1. If we denote 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just like this, if you extend this axis, then it will come. So 0, 0, it will be origin. 1, 1, this will be the point. 2, 4, so 2, 4, 3, 9, 3, 9. Just like this. If you plot the graph, it will be just like a parabola. Just like this, it is a parabola. It will be parabola. The equation is y that is equal to x square. So if you take one arbitrary point, it may be somewhere else, and this will be x for that point, x value, and the corresponding value will be y will be here. So this will be x comma y, and the y will be equal to, the y is depending on x, like this, y that is equal to x square. Suppose if you take a small increment, it will be a very small increment dx. So dx tends to 0. It is not equal to 0, it is tends to 0. That means it may be, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, it may be 1 divided by 1000, just like this. 1 divided by 1000, that will be equal to dx, just like this. So dx may be equal to 0.001, just like this. So this will be dx, a very small amount. If the x is differing in the amount of dx, just like this, 0.001, just a small increment, what will be the value of the increment in y, dy? So what will be the dy value? So dy dx, this value we have to identify. So just we will take the first equation, y that is equal to x square. So this point, at this point, y that is equal to x square. So at this point, it will be, the x is increased plus dx the whole square. So x square x plus dx whole square, and y will be increased in some amount dy. So y that is equal to x square, the first value, this point value, and a small increment dx. Dx will be added here, x plus dx whole square, that will be equal to y. The corresponding value will be y plus dy. So here y plus dy, this is x plus dx. X plus dx, y plus dy. So it will follow the equation, the same equation, y equal to x square, the same parabolic equation. Parabolic equation. Now y plus dy, that is equal to, this will be a plus b the whole square. The formula is a plus b the whole square. The same form, that will be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, like this. So in this, x square plus 2x dx plus dx square. Okay. So y plus dy, that will be equal to x square plus 2x dx plus dx square. Dx is one term. Now y plus dy, that will be equal to x square plus 2x dx plus dx square. So this x square will be equal to y, because y that is equal to x square, plus 2x dx plus dx square. So in this side, y plus dy will be there. So this y and this y will be cancelled. So dy, that is equal to 2x dx plus dx square. So already we have dx that is equal to 0.001. Okay. Now 0.001 square will be equal to 0.0000. It will be 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this it will come. So this 1000 square, then 1 divided by 1000 square means that will be very small amount. So this amount can be neglected. So this dx will be neglected. So dx tends to 0 under this condition. This is called limit. Limit dx tends to 0. 0 means very small amount. Under this condition, dx square, this term will be neglected. So now the remaining term will be dy, that will be equal to 2x dx so now 2x just you keep here, dy by dx. This dx will be in this position. So if y that is equal to x square, then dy by dx, that will be equal to 2x. Under what condition? Limit dx tends to 0. So this is called derivative of the function dy by dx, that will be equal to 2x. The function is y equal to x square. This is the function. So if the function is x square, then the derivative of the function will be equal to 2x. So under what condition? Dx tends to 0. This is called the limit.